So in this problem here, we have train regulators who want to punish poor punctuality. So this one is going to be the punishment here. This scenario here, you get punished of £10,000 if you are cancellations of 4 or more per day. There's no reward or penalty if you have 1, 2, or 3. So that means the consequence is 0. And if you're cancel 0 times a day, they want to give you some money in your pocket. Okay, and so we are looking for, and we know that cancellation is a Poisson distribution of 2.31. And we want to find what's this bonus payment going to be. So in order for this to be fair, we have to find the expected value of this problem. And fair means that the expected value is going to be 0. That means you're not going to punish too much, and you're not going to reward too much. It balances all out to be 0. This also happens with like games of chance, right? If you are gambling, if you're a gambler, so to speak, you can try to get expected value of 0 as well. Or if you're a gambler, you want this to be positive, and the casino, wants it to be negative. But ideally, things turn out to be 0 is what you want, and so this payment scenario, they want to be equal to 0. That's what fair means. So in order to do it, expected value takes the probability times the value. So I'm going to take the probability that x is bigger than or equal to 4. I'm going to assume that x is the Poisson of 2.31. And I'm going to take this value and I'm going to multiply this times negative 10,000 plus I'll take the probability that x equals 1 or how do I write this? Right? X equals 1 plus x equal 2 plus x equal 3. All these 3, I'm going to take it, I'm going to multiply it times 0. And multiply it by 0, basically they go away. Plus then finally the probability that my Poisson is equal to 0, and I'm going to multiply this by some mystery value, which I'll call this value b for bonus times b. When I do this, I want this to be 0. And so that's making the expected value 0 makes it the fair game. And so when we find this probability, we know it's going to be 1 minus the probability of x being bigger than equal, less than equal to 3 times the negative 10,000 plus b times the probability that x is equal to 0 And so if I cheat with my notes, I know that it ends up being negative 20 to 6.989 plus b times 0.09926 equals 0, and you end up with b being 20,420 pounds. Okay. So what you will throw in your calculator to do that scenario there is you'll go 1 minus, and you'll go Poisson CDF of the 2.31, which is the mean, comma 3, and then you multiply by 10,000. If you're going to do this one, you just go Poisson PDF of 2.31, comma 0, and you'll get that probability. Hopefully that helps.